two-step, Been begging for them dollars, cause she wanna make college. Coming straight out the trip hole. Here to tell me what you wanna do. Tell me what you wanna do.
Welcome back, Veteran X fam, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're notified every time your boy drops a video, man. Coming at you today with Rain and Sorrow. She performed Raindrop live on Wish USA bus. So without any further ado, let's hop right into it. I've been requesting this one a lot.
Sunlight breaches through the room in a spectacle like in full bloom, and I wonder why can't I smile?
Wish.
Oh my gosh, Rain.
Breaches through the room in a spectacle like in full bloom, and I wonder why can't I smile?
Wish 1075.
Feels like I can't take no more. The curtains, I have shut them closed, cause I don't seem to like that happy life.
Come on, Rain.
They all say that they're gonna stay, but I know it's all a lie. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to have loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
Bro, if I ever see the Wish bus, bro, I know somebody singing, bro. I'm gonna go to the window. This is dope though so far.
Feels like I've been shut inside a box where I can't see the light, and it don't seem that I want to get out.
She said I'm trapped in a box. It don't seem I can get out, but I can see the light.
Like I've been shut inside a box where I can't see the light, and it don't seem that I want to get out. The people who have loved me so are in places that I do not know, and it don't seem that I really wanna shout. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used
That's deep, man. It's please forgive me right now. Cause I don't know who I am. All these actions, whatever I'm doing right now, hey, this is not me right now. Just please forgive me. Cause I'm just not myself at this moment. It's hard, bro. Rain with the singing bars.
forgive me, but I don't know who I am. I used to have loved you, but now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling. Sorry, forgive me, but I don't know who I am.
Wish-clusive
Empty
on Wish
inside me,
1075.
and
Killing
now it seems that I can't. It's like a raindrop falling.
She killed that, bro. She killed that, bro. That was Rain and Sorrow performs Raindrop live on the Wish was, bro. That was dope, bro. Very dope, bro. I love that one. If you like this, man, please like this video. Comment some more Rain and Sorrow you want me to check out in the comment section down below. Share so other people can see this video as well. And until next time, Veteran X fam, I'm out.
Thanks for watching.